Hello friends, today we'll learn English alphabets with different examples. So let's start. K. K for kite. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. M. M is for mango. M is for mango. N. N is for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for plum. P for plum. Q. Q for queen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. R for rat. S. S for snake. S for snake. T. T for tiger. T for tiger.